So guys, got another video for you today. It's the LAP test and detection kit. So it's the contactless pen and the plug socket tester. So I've already opened this, as you can see, but let's get this open and check out the tools. Okay, so here's the first item. So it's a plug tester. So if you plug this into a socket, what will happen is it will give you different readings and different lights on the socket, and I'll show you that in a second. Just to give you an indication of whether or not the socket is safe to use. Now, by no means is this a perfect test, and this is just really a quick check to make sure that the sockets in your property or your house are kind of wired correctly and working and operational. Now, you can get more advanced testing, and obviously in the UK you can get an electrician out to do a full test on all your circuits, but sometimes you can just pick up some common faults with this. Now, I'm not saying you should repair those faults, but at least you know that they're there, and you'll probably know to avoid using that plug or that circuit. So super simple to do. You literally just plug this into a socket. It will make an audible tone, and the different noises will determine what the issue is, and then you kind of just check on this chart here, and that's it. So if it's missing an earth, you'll see that there's just be one green light on. If there's a live earth reverse, then you can see that the two lights on the left will indicate, and so on and so forth. So super simple to use, and I'll show you how that works in a second. So this is the MS8907 voltage tester pen. You basically press the on button. I've already put the batteries in the back, but you press the on button. You can see it goes green. If you put this anywhere near a live circuit, it will start flashing red and it will start beeping. So you've gone to the fuse board, you switched off a circuit that you think is off, put this near or around the circuit, the socket, the plug, or a wire even, and if it detects any voltage, it will beep and flash, and you know that that's not safe. Very, very useful bit of kit, very cheap as well. If you are near or using something near electrics, then it's always safe just to make sure, you know, that the thing is off. And there's no voltage running through. So it's got a little torch on the front here, you can see. Not very bright, but useful in a pinch if you've got nothing else, especially just kind of, you know, maybe inside a small airing cupboard or something like that. Okay, so let's just show you how this quickly works. Here's a bit of cable. Now, I can't see if there's any electricity flowing through this cable, but if I take my pen and I move it near the cable, you can see immediately it starts flashing and beeping. So this is super simple. Literally, you can just go around to anything and it will automatically test if there's power running through that cable. Okay guys, so we're near a socket now. I'm just going to quickly show you that this socket, you can see that the socket's switched off, but we still know that there is power going to it. Very easy to identify. And like I said, you've got a little bit of a torch here, nothing too special. Let's plug in the socket tester. You just literally just plug it into a socket. Okay, so I'll switch that on now. And you can see, let me just turn that off. And you can see that that's correct. So we know that it's not missing any earth. There's no live earth reverse, no live neutral reverse, and there's no missing neutral either. So right guys, that's the LAP or LAP voltage tester pen and the voltage socket tester. Just wanted to give you a quick run of that today. Pretty useful tools, very cheap, like I said. Pick one of these up, very, very useful to have. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw. If you want to see more of this, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.